Xmas is you.
Oh, I didn't realize my coffee cup was in the way. I've been up since like 8 o'clock. I don't know if you can hear this, but my computer's running really loud, so I'm gonna step away from it. Maybe I'll boil some more water because my coffee's really cold, but it's only half full, so I'm just gonna add more water and more coffee. I am still in Fort Lauderdale, of course, and it is my last day. I'm about to leave in a couple hours. I just finished cleaning up Rose's room so he doesn't have to, and not that much the rest of his apartment. Okay, he can take care of that. Now that I got my warm cup of coffee, there's still 13 minutes left of this export, so I might do, you know, a little gratefulness moment, jot some stuff in my journal, and then I'm gonna come back to this ready to go. And I am about I think 1.5 coffees deep right now. My second cup of coffee, it's like half calf, I think. I think it's like 1 scoop caffeinated, 2 scoops decaf. So honestly, I'll take it. But I gotta admit, as much as I love Starbucks, like more than anything, I don't care for those instants. They're very, very strong. I asked Rose to help me open a can because it wasn't opening, and he acted like I was crazy. I opened that half of the can. He did nothing. He literally did nothing to help me. I could have just continued to open it.
I just grabbed the knife and I just like lifted the little part that you opened.
We can see what you did. You may be against this, but tomato soup, Campbell's, mashed potatoes, legumes.
Yeah, it's close enough.
Try it.
It's hot, be careful.
I've been up, I've been editing. I just finished the Tiirous Tuesdays edit. Before that, I was working on the vlog edit. No, I did not finish it yet. Yes, I keep saying I'm going to, but that's basically all I have to do today. So I'm sorry again, this is gonna be a pretty boring vlog. I'm gonna be just chilling around my apartment in my pajamas, feeling cozy. I made breakfast. I don't even want to show you a close-up because I feel like it's kind of terrifying. I love it, but I don't think it looks that great, and I feel like most people think it sounds disgusting. I feel like in general I am kind of disgusting with food. I really like to just keep adding on the layers, the flavors, and I don't have much of a limit, so it's terrifying. But I pretty much just sauteed some onions. I added a little garlic paste and, you know, that green stuff on the side of sushi. We'll think of it later. For some reason, I thought that would be a good idea, which actually was. It tasted good. It didn't make it like too hot or anything. But during the cooking process, that mixed with the garlic, mixed with the onions, like my eyes were bawling. It was horrible.
I know you. None of it matters. Too late.
What?
I don't have a towel in my hand.
I hate staying for a long time because then I like feel so upset having to leave. We're pulling up to the airport now. Well, like underneath the airport, it's gonna take a few minutes to get there. And they're about to start boarding, so we're always pushing it close here. I fully blame Rose 100%. He doesn't like, not only does he not like getting to the airport early, but he does not like to allow other people to get to the airport early. And by early, I just mean reasonable. So we're cutting it really close.
Can I speak my piece here?
No.
Look, you're gonna get there and they're still not gonna start boarding.
No, but that's not true because it's 3 minutes till boarding. So.
No, just watch. Just watch.
Just got home. I already ordered food and made myself pizza. It's only a 2-hour a 40-minute flight, but it's left me hungry. To be honest, this is me every single time I fly into New York. I get to my apartment starving. Coming from Florida, coming from work, whatever it is, I can't handle it. Eat food, do a dance. Okay, you need to take this type of pizza, if you ever get it. What is this called? Like French bread pizza? I take my pizza, I squirt hot sauce on it, whatever kind you like, and balsamic glaze. It is unbelievable. Does anyone else feel like fortune cookies have just got worse and worse over the years? Like, I don't want to question. I want you to tell me something about my future. I want to feel inspired. This is not making me feel inspired. So, every time I order food, a lot of the time there's issues with delivery because my building is split in half. Half of the building is considered one address, half of the building is considered another address, depending if you go left or right. I put in the directions, where to turn, they can't figure it out. So I got rice, always. I got Thai curry, love it. I can't remember the kind that I get. It's not red or green, it's a different thing. And then I also got some noodles. I feel like I actually ordered this before. It has been the entire day since I've checked back in. It is currently 8 o'clock at night. I feel like it's like midnight. I've been working on my computer pretty much all day. Also, I'm probably procrastinating because I'm literally still editing the vlog. I had a therapy appointment earlier. It went really well. I feel good, but also really still like emotionally drained from it. I feel like after my last appointment, I felt like invigorated and like so free and like just ready to attack the world. And this one, like, we had some major breakthroughs, but it's left me so emotionally drained. So I think it's fine. I don't even know what that means. I think it's fine. No, I know it's good. It's all progress. Part of the process, I guess. Currently on the phone with this guy. You can't actually see him, but you're ruining my video because I can't see you.
I'm sorry.
We gotta pay you. From this to this. I'm about to just pack for tomorrow because I've been having such a relaxed day. I honestly wasn't even thinking about the fact that I have a trip tomorrow. It's just a one day. It's literally just a flight to Florida and back. And then I'll be home by like 2 o'clock, or I was supposed to be home by 2 o'clock, but I don't pay attention to weather. I should. My brother told me there's supposed to be a blizzard that comes tomorrow evening, and the snow from that blizzard is supposed to start tonight. So I just checked my trip. It's not canceled yet because our flight's at 6 in the morning to Florida, but I'm thinking we might be delayed a long time or end up being stuck in Fort Lauderdale. We'll see how it goes. I will definitely keep you updated. So it is that time of night. I'm in bed. I'm already sleeping. Basically, it was so hard for me to pack, to be honest. I don't think I really shot any footage today because I was just pretty beat from staying up all night yesterday, getting some work done. But it was all worth it. And I'm going to bed now. It is 11. I have to wake up at 4:45. I have to be at the airport by 6:45, and I like to have like an hour to get ready. So, with that said, thank you for joining me on another little day's adventure, vloggy thing, whatever this is. Thank you for getting this far in the vlog. If you did get this far, please like the video. You clearly liked something about it. Write something down below so I know who you are, and subscribe if you haven't already. And most importantly, if you're at this part of the video, then check out these videos over here, because I promise you, they are so much better than the video you are currently watching. And I'm probably a lot less tired, but I can't hear. Bye guys.
For your kiss, you'll hug your
Even
touch.
over FaceTime, Rose is laughing.
Give you my heart in exchange for